Alright, here we have an out of service railroad crossing. Well, I believe this is out of service, just looking at the condition of the tracks. On 4th Street in Marion, Illinois. Y'all are probably already familiar with this crossing. As you can see, it's gone dead recently, unfortunately. This is the first signal here. This is the little newer mast signal. It has an L&W base. The emergency information, as you can see, dot number is 2948181T. We got the lights, which are L&W 12 by 20 inch lights that are bagged up. The bell over here is a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell, replacing a Safe-Tran mechanical bell that died at some point. Yeah, of course, on the other side, we have the thing that everyone came to this crossing for, and is thankfully the reason why there's multiple videos of it online. And that is this wigwag signal here, which I believe also contained the relay case for the crossing, which appears to be right here. This right here, yeah, Chicago Railway Supply Company, I think this is. It just says Chicago there. This might be an old RRS or Bryant Zinc case or something. We got that there on it. Then the mast lights are more L&W, bagged up L&W 12 by 20 inch lights. And of course, the famous thing, a WRS wigwag that, as you can see, is also bagged up. So yeah, it's a shame to see this crossing's dead now, but I am glad I at least got to visit this since this was the closest wigwag to me. But at least on a rail line, as you can see, it's now dead, unfortunately. The reason why I believe this is, various are taking this crossing out of service, but I believe this line itself is dead, because I mean, you can just look at the tracks here. This is their main line. You can see there's lots of weeds growing up around the rails, and the rails themselves don't really look all that shiny. Like the HMCR, which is run as needed, their rails look a bit shinier. These rails look like they haven't seen a train in a little while and are in the process of rusting over. They're not like super rusted, but they kind of remind me of some abandoned tracks I've seen. And of course, you also got this long dead spur over here. And also on the wigwag, you have a pair of 8-inch signals. You got an Eagle-Lux that's over there on the left, it looks like, and over here on the right, it's either a GE or an Econolite. Can't really tell because, you know, they're kind of back to back. But yeah, just thought I'd show y'all this. I may run over to that crossing over there, see if the relay case is still on, because if it's off, then I'd say that's definitely a good sign that this line is completely dead, at least beyond that customer there. So yeah, here's a look at this south service crossing on 4th Street in Marion, Illinois. Over and out.